Hello everyone, I welcome you all in a virtual classes program of JetKids International School at Home, Class 3rd, Subject Computer, and I am your computer teacher J.M. Khan. And today's our topic is hardware and software exercise. That means question and answer we are going to solve today, right? So let us start with our first chapter, question and answer. So first question is fill in the blanks. Okay, take the correct. Okay, so first of all let me switch off this. Right, so first one is, that is A, take the correct answer and fill in the blanks. So first one is, dash refers to collection of programs. Okay, what is the collection of program? And the options are hardware, software, both of these. I hope you know very well about software and hardware, right? What is mean by software? It is collection of program that you cannot see. It is inbuilt in computer, you cannot see it. So first one will be first answer will be software. Okay, so hope you will write it properly. Software refers to a collection of programs. So second question is, the dash is an example of hardware, and the given options are keyboard, paint, and windows. Okay, three things are given, you can see in your book. So if you want to do all first a question, so pause video and try to solve it, then check then resume video and check answers. Okay, so next thing is, the dash is an example of hardware, keyboard, paint, and windows. Okay, you know very well Windows is an operating system, it is not hardware, it is software, right? Paint is also a application software. Keyboard, yeah, you can see keyboard and you can touch it. Okay, so it is keyboard, which is an example of hardware. Keyboard, right? Hope you will write it properly in your book. Okay, keyboard. Next thing is, the dash is the present inside the CPU box. Okay, what is present in the CPU box? You have to find in from the given option. First one is mouse. You know very well mouse is not present in the CPU box, it is external hardware and we use it with our hands. Second thing is monitor, it is also not a part of CPU, it is a separate display where we see, right, our output. And third thing is hard disk. Yes, hard disk. Hard disk, the hard disk is present inside the CPU box. Yes, this is right. So this is about first question. So hope if you want to write first question properly, stop that video in few seconds ago and solve it. Okay, so here some pictures are given, and B, cross out the odd pictures you can see. Okay, question B, see, you need to first you need to find what is given over there. First one is monitor, right? First one is monitor, then second thing is, this is monitor, this is processor, this is mouse, this is speakers, this is printer, this is calculator program, right? This is hard disk, this is keyboard. Okay, you can see here, if we are going through the category, okay, this is output device, this is output device, this is processing device, this is input device, right? This is output device, this is storage device. So we cannot say about these things, right? Clear? We cannot say about this. Okay, first, so we need to find out at the basis of, on the basis of hardware and software. This is, sorry, This is hardware, this is also hardware, this is also hardware, this is also a hardware, this is also an hardware, also hardware, this is hardware, and this is also hardware. Okay, so which one is odd? This one is odd. So how I am going to cross it? Like this way, and this way I am going to cross it. Okay, because calculator is a software, so this is odd man out, right? So this is how you will write about it. Write this answer in your textbook. You have to do all this thing in textbook only. Next, that is C. Write H. Write H for hardware and S for software. Right? Paint. Where you have to write? In this box is given, right? This box is given, here you have to write. Paint. What is paint? Paint is a software, so S for software, you will write S. Okay, keyboard is a hardware, so you will write H. Tux paint, also a type of paint, also a type of software, so you will write S over here. Printer, hardware, H, you will write H over here, right? Monitor, you know very well it is a hardware. CPU, hardware. Windows, software. Mouse, hardware, right? So this is how we will write answer in that boxes. Okay, in that circle, S and H, in a form of S and H, right? So this is about this was our question C of second chapter, right? And let us proceed to our last question, that is D, which is answer the following question. Okay, what is the hardware? First thing, how you will write it? You will write as I am dictating you. All the physical components of a computer sorry, all. So you will write it, I am not able to write over here, so you will write properly. All the physical components of a computer which can be seen or touched. Okay, so two things, which can be seen, okay, or touch, right? So which can be seen or can be touched. So these two if component has these two quality, so it will be known as hardware. Clear? All the physical components. How you will write it? Just write it properly. All the physical components of computer which can be seen or touched are called hardware. Clear? Next, second, what is software? So collection of programs, we already did it, right? Or refers to fill in the blanks. Okay, collection of program, okay, that can write collection of program is software. Collection of programs, right? So collection of programs is known as software, or you can say software is collection of program that tell the computer what to do, right, and what to perform. Clear? So this is our question 2. Hope you will write it properly without any spelling mistake. Next thing is, give 2 example each of hardware and software, right? So if you want example of hardware and software, I can give you from previous slide. Okay, from here this is hardware and this is hardware. So any 2 example you have to write. This is hardware, right? And next software, this is software, this is software, right? And this is also a software. So you can write these example over there, right? Hope you will do it properly. Okay, so here we are done with exercise of chapter 2, that is hardware and software. Next, the project or activity is given, that puzzle. So take both children to the, so this is quite fun activity. Okay, now you do it. It is very easy. Find out the way for the student. Okay, hardware and software. So just do it. We will continue our next topic in our next video. Okay, till then stay safe and thank you so much.